delivered 25% returns in the last 5 years, while Nifty 50 gave just 19%. That's HDFC Balanced Advantage Fund for you. The best part, it pulled this off with much less risk. For example, we have seen 18 big market falls in the last 25 years, and this fund has done better in 13 of them. But what's their secret? Let's find out. The fund was launched way back in 1994, and for nearly 28 years, this one man shaped its strategy. The legendary fund manager Prashant Jain. He kept equities high, usually above 70%. With that, the fund delivered nearly 8% more than Nifty 50. But in 2022, Jain left. After him, HDFC Mutual Fund has appointed 5 managers to carry this fund's legacy, and each has a specific role. For example, Gopal Agarwal manages the equity and Anil Bamboli looks after the debt. Now there's also a formal model to decide the split between equity and debt. As a result, the fund's asset mix is much more dynamic. For example, the equity exposure dropped from 56% in Jan 2024 to 49% in September 2024 as the markets looked overheated then. But by March 2025, it was raised again to 59%. So far, this strategy has worked well. Since Jain's exit, the fund has delivered 18% annualized returns, while Nifty 50 gave around 13%. Found this useful? Follow Power Up Money for all things mutual funds.